Hello, y'all. I'm Diana Brienne. Well, it's the holiday season, and I just love cooking, baking, and celebrating, and doing all those wonderful things that we do during the holiday season. We take Christmas rides and go look at the lights at night and take hot chocolate out with us. And we love Christmas carols, and we listen to all the Christmas music, the TV shows that are about Christmas, and the true meaning of Christmas, of course. We love all the church events, and we just love what Christmas is about. And yet we also embrace and understand that some people are not happy during this time, that they're struggling or going through a difficult time. And so part of how we celebrate Christmas is we try to touch other people's lives in a most positive way if we can. Some which way that we can touch their life and help them by a gesture. It could be a kind word, it could be baking cookies, it could be giving a phone call. Something that's appropriate and that's right for you to do for them. Often just a few kind words or something that we do can make all the difference in their holiday. Okay, so remember, enjoy your own holiday and embrace the fact that some others may not be quite as happy as you. And so if in your holiday season, while you're enjoying your own season, and you should, try to do something kind for other people. From my house to yours. God bless you.